This is what we consider our Lagun table. So this pivots out, spins around. So you have a couple release points. So whenever you have this, you can pull it out like a ratchet, and you kind of push this button back down with your finger, but it releases this grip. And so you can just pull this guy off, and it allows you to push this arm all the way back out of the way. But like, so to kind of see the ratchet motion, you put your finger against this, you can pull out, turn, then release. So you don't have to go full 360. So that is there. And then you can also release this side, and you can pull this all the way out and off. Now, one last kind of feature to this guy is that you can release it down here, and this actually sets your height. So based on where you want to set your height, you can crank it back down, and that gives you your height of however you want to set this table. And then again, you can just put this right back here how you want it. And so it'll spin, push it right back against the edge. And there you go.